Welcome to the 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.2010sharpeye.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1, CS Galaxy 1. That's how was rock.
Yeah.
I get what you music go town. Music go back. Okay, so again, I'm watching it.
Kunjani mfethu?
Sharp njani mfethu?
Sharp man. Le game lena man ayekwenye igame.
Kene ko 1-0, uzothi 1-1.
Le game beyindlela man. And manje TS Galaxy beyismaka kahle. Besingakhona ukufika ku final third vandag. Besiphelela la isuswini sibuyele emuva. Sithi rotate ibhola sithi sekoma side akungasebenzi. Uma sithi siya final 30 bekufana obanika unkotho ibhola thuthi ugijima ngalo bekungayenzeki next well sathola lucky goal mina ngibona ngathi sa lucky goal and then i-TS Galaxy yenza ama changes ithe mayenza ama changes ke badlala ku left kula bathola igoal
exactly
and bas push bas attacker and then phela 1-1 so I think amajita yabona nalento change coaching. I think if I affected somehow, it's a new style of play from the new coach, although we interim, but obviously coach by instruction with Matota Lalan 1, 2, 3.
Exactly.
And then they tried to execute the game plan, but it didn't work. The way it was like cartel or fatigued or stress, but I'm not going to blame it. I mean, Selama game for the Pirates, I think 2 or 3, if I'm not mistaken. 3. Yeah, my team, I'm sure, was selling a 1-1.
1-1, 2-2.
Yeah, then Pele. I mean, league is a Tatiwa. I'm a Kaponga Hambile. So, man, just I want to make a badale, Bazimisel, I want to make a bang in top 8. But the top 8 near relegation. Yeah, so Tina and artists, I'm sure that's why when I second half of Faganji, the MTC. Fagamanda 19 and I'm under 18. So, Now this is the stadium. We love going to the stadium. And among players, it was the second last game. I think Snake came up to 28 during the week. Then the league is irreparable value. But we can't bong ama player wethu bafethu. They gave us a good season. Nama coach wethu nalo hambile. Nama fans is well behaved. I think we kunama incident lapho lapho. Nani sponsor njengoba benis pusha siyabonga kakhulu. I think it gave a different element for 2025 in a way that we will look forward to going to the stadium but although and going to be some surprises I mean calling a magesi
exactly
cup the Chiefs simangazila thathi cup
Pirates night lithathile
that's why ngitshela singadai konke umuntu ozokhala ngazokhalela wonke umuntu ujabulile I mean it's even field yabo the only thing is just have to look forward to next season on what is going to happen next season.
No, siyabonga kakhulu for hard luck for today. I know it's a draw, it's a lose for you.
No, I mean you know
because enye into ekhona ukuthi Sundowns phela ilanda 73 points. And then wena so 56. And then it's something ukuthi as a big team you need to at least ukuthi noma ukuthi number 2 at least about number 2 understanding 16 years or something.
I think it's a work in progress. Remember now Sundowns is set a standard which most teams it's going to take us another 2 to 3 years, in fact 4 years or 5 years
to cover
that gap because they know they've got a system by 7 side, they've got a structure that they use in order to buy and to secure and make sure. Yes, you can have an argument they have money and they use that money fair and square, but if not, because I'm the closest team ecishe fika ku Sundowns the Pirates because Pirates now understands what must shorter la we must utilize this person asithathe nentwana lesifake la asithathe ubani simthathe la and even the technical team that's what they do. So in a scouting sub I think they are on point because now you can't nje uphushe nje udlala ibhola ngathi you don't know what you are doing because it's dangerous. You can see now kunama analyst kuna nathi analyze la ngaphandle, so soccer is evolving and you have to evolve with soccer. So most of the things that Sundowns has set as a target for all teams we are pushing. Chiefs Galaxy, for example. Chiefs Galaxy now is a brilliant team. Don't take anything away from them. Most of the teams now, PSL, they invest in players, number one. They invest in the technical teams, and they make sure when the team is put on the field of play, they do what they need to do. Look at Mackenzie now. Mackenzie, I thought Mackenzie is going to be relegated. Look at where they are now. Is the last game. And I'm sure they're going to give us a run of our money because they're going to prove a point. So there's no one who must think that is going to be transfer windows of a team must be serious. You must go sign players according to what you shot the structure also build now. And then I'm a player now next season so that you come and watch football. Let's come and watch football.
True.
But I'm fit.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks a lot, man.
Nice
Keep
to
well.
see you.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngoba2010sharpi.com.